Do you want to add music to your Instagram profile? Well, we can do that with just a few quick and easy steps. So make sure you watch this video until the end to learn how it's done. First of all, you want to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that you're running the latest version of the Instagram app on your device. If you see an update button, just update the app in order to make sure that you have all of the latest features and functions, and the music on your profile is one of those features. So I'm going to open my Instagram application, and then I'll go over to my Instagram profile by tapping right here. Once you get on your profile page, simply tap on this button called Edit Profile, and that will open your profile editor, where you will have a bunch of different options. We will scroll down to the bottom of this screen until we find this Music option. Here it is for me, so I will just tap on this. Then, pick a song for your profile, right here, and that will open the Instagram Music Library, where our job is to select a song which we want for our Instagram profile. You can use the search bar in order to search for a specific song which you have in mind, or you can scroll through the list of songs on this page. But I'll select this song as an example, and then Instagram will give us an option to select a portion of the song which we want to use, and that portion can last up to 30 seconds. Once you're happy with the song and the part of the song, simply tap on the check option right here, and then check one more time. The song will now be visible on your Instagram profile right below your bio. And keep in mind that this song won't start playing automatically when someone visits your profile. If they want to hear the song, they just need to click on this little play icon that's right next to your song, and then Instagram will start playing the 30-second part which you chose. And that's essentially how you can put music on your Instagram profile in just a couple of short and simple steps. If this video was helpful to you, please support it by leaving a like or a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!